Okay, now we'll start with exercise 1.2, question number 1. Now what question number 1 is saying, write down a pair of integers whose sum is what? Minus 7. Now what you have to do, you have to add two integers. They have written sum, it means you have to use plus sign. You have to use two integers and the sum should be what? Minus 7. So what you will going to do, you will add two integers to get what? Minus 7. So it's up to you whatever number you want. Suppose I am taking, firstly I'll write solution. I am writing minus 3 because we need 7. So how we'll get 7? 3 plus 4 minus 3. Now they have mentioned sum. So we will use plus sign. In bracket I will use minus 4. So what I will get, minus 3 plus minus will be what? Minus 4 is equals to minus minus is what? Plus 4 plus 3 is what? 7. In 3 and 4, 4 is a greater number as it is having minus sign. So we will write minus sign. So this is the solution of question number A. Okay, now B1 is you have to find the difference. It means you have to do subtraction and what you want minus 10. It means you will subtract two integers to get what? Minus 10 you want. Okay, so here they have mentioned difference, that is why we are subtracting two integers to get what? Minus 10. Now how we will get minus 10? Again, there are so many ways to get minus 10. Okay, now suppose I am writing, we need 10. So 25 minus 15, we will get 10. And there are other ways also to get minus 10. Suppose I am writing 25. Now they mention difference. So we will write minus sign. Now suppose I am writing minus 15. You know why I am writing minus 15? Because minus minus will be what? Plus. This will become plus part, this will become minus part. So we'll subtract it to get minus 10. Let's see. So this will be minus 25, minus minus will become plus, and this will be what? 15. Now minus plus will be what? Minus 25 minus 15 will be what? 10. In 25 and 15, which is a greater number? 25, as it is having minus sign, so we will write minus sign in front of it. Okay, so what we have done in this question, we have to do subtraction, that is why I put minus sign. We have to use two integers to get minus 10. So I have written minus 25, then minus, in bracket I have written minus 15. Why I have written minus? So that minus minus will become plus, because in 25 and 15, 25 is a greater number. We want minus sign in front of the answer. That is why we follow this method. I hope you all have understood this question also. Okay, now question number C is what you want? Sum is 0. Now what you want? You want 0. You have to add two integer because they have mentioned sum sign. So what you have to do? You have to add two integers to get what? 0. Now we understood that one should be negative and one should be positive, because negative and positive will be what? Negative. Then only we'll get 0. So one same integers we will take. Just remember one thing, one should be plus and other should be minus. Suppose I am writing minus 3 plus 3. So this will be minus plus will be what? Minus 3 minus 3 is what? 0. If you want some more numbers, you will take minus 5 plus 5. Here you have to take plus sign because they have mentioned sum. So first number will be negative and second number will be positive, and both numbers should be of same type. If you are taking 3, then both should be 3. If you are taking 5, then both should be 5, like this, to get what? 0. Okay.